Before I retired, I was a mobile forklift engineer, and one of my sites was in a place called Chipping Campden, or the road leading to Chipping Campden. There's quite a big, long, steep hill. As I was driving up the hill, I saw the fawn lying in the road. I thought it was dead because it was in a big pool of blood. Anyway, as I drove past, it squeaked. So I went up the road a bit further, turned round, came back, pulled up more or less alongside her, got out the car because I thought if she dies I can just give her to the foxes. So I picked her up. As I picked her up, an articulated lorry went right over where she was lying. So it was a matter of seconds, otherwise she'd have been squashed. I put her in the back of my van, because I had a works van, drove down the road for probably 10 minutes, and when I got to my site, opened the back doors and she'd actually started standing up. She just started coming in. I came home from work one day, and in the living room I've got a load of these oil ornaments in jars and glasses. Well, I noticed 2 of those were on the floor, and the corks had been eaten out of them. And I also had some scented pine cones, and they were on the floor. I thought, well, I couldn't figure out how it happened. And a couple of days later it happened again, and I still didn't fathom, didn't click it was strawberry. And then I was in the kitchen washing up one day, and I just, out of the corner of my eye, saw the cat flap move, and she was coming out. And I thought, well, she can come in, if she can come out, she can go in. And I watched her a bit longer, and she did. She came back in on her own. And she just taught herself to come in.